Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at action verb, a thorough guide. So, let's get started. What is an action verb? What is an action verb? An action verb is a type of verb that shows the physical or mental action performed by the subject of a sentence. The best tip to identify an action verb is to make sure the movement of either the body or mind. Action verbs can be transitive or intransitive. Action verbs are contrasted and compared with stative or state verbs. Continue to watch to learn action verb definition and types and comparison with different other types of verb along with easy example sentences. This video covers action verb, definition and meaning. Action verb examples. Types of action verb with examples. Action verb and state verb comparison and example. Action verb and non-action verb comparison and example. Action verb and helping verbs comparison and example. Action verb versus linking verb comparison and example. Facts or frequently asked questions, action verb. Action verb, definition and meaning. What does an action verb mean? The word action in the phrase action verb refers to the movement of the body or mind, while verb means some activity performed by the subject. So the action verb means a verb that shows the activity performed by the subject. The definition of an action verb is that it expresses action which can be either physical or mental. Look at the below given definition of action given by the Merriam-Webster. Merriam-Webster defines the action verb as a verb that expresses action. A verb that expresses action. To exemplify the definition, the dictionary then lists two action verbs, drive and think. The action verb drive refers to the movement of the body parts to get the car go, whereas think refers to the movement of our brain to ponder about different aspects of something. Let's have a look at the following example sentences where action verbs are used with their respective subjects which perform them. Action verb examples in sentences. Number 1, John runs fast. John runs fast. Number 2, he speaks English. He speaks English. Number 3, they will think about it. They will think about it. Number 4, why did you fight with him? Why did you fight with him? Number 5, he is writing a letter to her. He is writing a letter to her. Number 6, John teaches phonetics. John teaches phonetics. Number 7, he can swim. He can swim. Number 8, I don't go to school. I don't go to school. Number 9, she is reading a novel. She is reading a novel. And number 10, he is washing clothes. He is washing clothes. Types of action verb with examples. There are mainly two types of action verbs in English. The types of action verbs include: number 1, transitive verb. A transitive verb is a type of action verb that needs a direct object which receives the action performed by the subject, as in, John beats his son. Number 2, intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is a type of action verb that does not need a direct object, as in, John goes to school. Comparing different types of verbs. It's a fact that you can best understand something by understanding its opposites. So, to know what it is, you need to know what it is not. Here is the comparison of action verb with other types of verb. Action verb and state verb, or non-action verbs. An action verb expresses an action performed by the subject of a sentence, whereas a state verb or stative verb or non-action verb expresses a state, not an action. Examples of action verbs. A, I walked to the room. I walked to the room. B, they took money from him. They took money from him. Examples of state verbs. A, I know him. I know him. B, they believe in God. They believe in God. Action verb and helping verbs. An action verb directly expresses an action, whereas a helping verb helps a main verb to express mood, tense, or voice. Examples of action verbs. A, he eats a mango. He eats a mango. B, John prepares meal. John prepares meal. Examples of helping verbs. A, John is eating a mango. John is eating a mango. B, they are talking about you. They are talking about you. Action verb versus linking verb. Action verbs express the activities performed by the subject of a sentence, whereas a linking verb is a type of verb that connects a predicate noun or predicate adjective to its subject. Examples of action verbs. A, she beat her students. A, she beat her students. B, the bike hit the car. The bike hit the car. Examples of linking verbs. A, he is John. He is John. B, you are handsome. You are handsome. Facts. Frequently asked questions. Action verb. What is an action verb? According to the Merriam-Webster, an action verb is a type of verb that expresses action. Examples of action verbs include drive, think, speak, write, go, come, do, and others. Define action verb. An action verb is a type of verb that shows the physical or mental action performed by the subject of a sentence. How many types of action verb are there? There are 2 types of action verbs. An action verb can be a transitive verb or intransitive verb. A transitive action requires a direct object, whereas an intransitive action verb doesn't. 10 examples of action verb in sentences. Number 1, John runs fast. John runs fast. Number 2, he speaks English. He speaks English. Number 3, they will think about it. They will think about it. Number 4, why did you fight with him? Why did you fight with him? Number 5, he is writing a letter to her. He is writing a letter to her. Number 6, John teaches phonetics. John teaches phonetics. Number 7, he can swim. He can swim. Number 8, I don't go to school. I don't go to school. Number 9, she is reading a novel. She is reading a novel. And number 10, he is washing clothes. He is washing clothes. Is an action verb? No, is not an action verb. Is can be used as a helping or linking verb as in. She is beautiful. Is are an action verb? No, are is not an action verb. Are can be used as helping or linking verb as in. You are handsome. Is have an action verb? Have can be used as both an action verb and helping verb as in. I have had breakfast. Is need an action verb? The verb need can be used as both an action verb and modal verb. We need it very much. Is get an action verb? Yes, get can be an action verb in the sense of to acquire. Is go an action verb? Yes, go is an action verb as in you go to school. Is make an action verb? Yes, make can be used as an action verb in the sense of to prepare something. Is want an action verb? No, it is not an action verb. Is like an action verb? No, it is not an action verb. So, this is it, guys. This video ends here about action verb, a thorough guide.